Yes, yung mga preng, ever wonder why I never ride scooters even though everyone's riding them now? Today mga preng, I'm spilling the truth why underbones like RS150, Raider, or Sniper are just better for serious riding. Mga preng, kung iniisip mo na comfy at modern yung scooter, think again mga preng. Let me show you why. Hindi lang feels, pero reality check talaga. Hindi ko hate ang scooters mga preng ha. Sa totoo talagang nai-inlove din ako sa scooters, lalong-lalo na sa design niya. Pero mga preng, isi-share ko lang to para sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip kung scooter ba or underbone. So okay mga preng, picture this ha. Long ride, highway, solo or with friends, you're on your scooter. Comfy, smooth. Pero 50 km down the road, ano nangyayari? Belt check, engine heat check, mas mabilis ma-wear out ang belt. Kaya pagbalik mo sa bahay, kailangan mo agad ng immediate maintenance. Underbone, di ganun kadali mga preng. Kaya kahit medyo rough ang ride, you just keep riding, fewer surprises, less stress. Simple physics and mechanics. Solid chassis, less plastic covering, fewer delicate moving parts. And now, preng, let's talk about money. Preng, I really love scooters talaga. Super sleek, automatic, parang luxury vibe. Pero reality mga preng, cost of ownership skyrocket faster than your Instagram likes. Preng, sa belt pa lang, one long ride, maybe even 80 to 100 kilometers on a hot day, at basta nagpupush ka pa ng konti, belt na agad needs replacement. Yung plastic mga preng sa scooter, everywhere. Magbaklas ka ng isang plastic cover, 3 bolt, pacheck mo na rin yung suspension at brake. Yung maintenance, daily checking, monthly checking, parang ano na siya preng eh, parang part-time job na siya eh, di ba? Compare this to an underbone mga preng. Minimal plastic, direct engine access, oil, chain, spark plug, brake pad, all easy mga preng, fast at no drama. You don't need 2 hours every weekend just to prepare your bike after a long ride. Mga preng, let's get technical. Scooter are CVT drive-in mga preng, which means belt and variator system. Smooth ride, automatic, pero guess what? Mas mabilis pumudpud compared to semi-automatic or manual clutch bike. Underbones, Raider, RS150, Sniper, di ka basta-basta ma-stop ng belt problem. Chain drive-in, clutch system, mas predictable, mas controllable, kahit long ride sa bukid or city traffic, stable, reliable, walang hassle. And yes mga preng, I know some riders will argue, scooter is comfortable. Oo naman talaga mga preng, scooter talaga is very comfortable for short rides. But di ka ready sa long-haul adventure. Last month mga preng, a friend of mine borrowed a scooter for 150 kilometer trip. Pagbalik niya, belt palitan, pulley check, oil refill, all in all, parang 3 hours na rin sa shop mga preng. Meanwhile, my RS150, I just check oil, tighten the chain, and ready to ride to the next morning again. Mas mabilis, less hassle. Imagine mga preng ha, every weekend gusto mo nang mag-road trip. Do you want more riding or more maintenance? That's the real cost of scooters mga preng. Hindi lang pera, kasama na ang oras, stress, at saka yung peace of mind. So preng, let me ask you, if you are planning a serious ride, 200 km plus, would you rather A. Spend half of your ride worrying about belt, plastic, variator, or B. Ride smooth, chain check, engine solid, focus view, and experience? Preng, sa akin, I know my answer. Underbone talaga, always, and I'll show you why. Professional editors, mechanics, even advisors, yung mga pro talaga mga preng, magre-recommend ng underbones for serious riders talaga. Bakit? Maintenance simplicity, direct access sa engine and parts, durability, chain versus belt system, long ride capability, scooter, 150 km lang, possible belt stress na. Underbone, no stress. Kaya mo kahit 300 to 400 kilometers straight. And yes, aesthetic mga preng, scooter looks modern. Pero let's be real, if you're riding for passion and performance, Underbone wins every time. So mga preng, here's my tip. Kung long ride, forget scooters talaga mga preng. Underbone, Raider, RS150 Sniper, your best friend sa road trip, city traffic, and adventure. Less downtime, less stress, more control, more fun, less maintenance drama. If budget matters mga preng, think short-term style or long-term reliability. Kasi for me mga preng, reliability wins every single time. So there you have it mga preng. That's why I never ride scooter. And I'll stick with Underbones for life. Or naked bike or any adventure bike na hindi belt. So next time someone tells you scooter is the future, preng, share this video. Show them reality. Kasi even pros will agree Underbone is king for serious riding. So if you agree, drop a comment below. Underbone gang. And let's ride safe, smart, and stress-free. See you on the road mga preng.